If you had to write a book tomorrow, what would you write about?
I would write about using automation for good. That I feel like there's so much automation, so much tracking, so much, people watching what we're doing, and so many social media platforms. And, there are a lot of really good ways that you can use the technology, and there's a lot of really creepy ways that you can use the technology. And I feel like we ride that creepy line all the time. And I remember years ago making a conscious effort with, the teams that I was working with to stay on the good side of the creepy line and being aware of that. And now I feel like we blow past it so quickly. But I think there's a lot of ways that we can use automation to learn more about people and what they want, what they need, what would best meet their needs, and be able to provide solutions for people. And I think I would go that route and help others understand how they could utilize it in their own way. Yeah, no, I'm very passionate about utilizing automation and being able to, like I mentioned earlier, basically multiply the touch points that you have. I mean, we as individuals can only touch so many lives, can only reach out to so many people. So I feel like when you incorporate automation, it helps you clone yourself, to put it simply, helps you be in multiple places at once and create that uniform experience. So I think it's really cool to incorporate it across, multiple industries, multiple companies, and it's something that is a lot of fun to use.
And also something that is more on a personalized side of things, right? The automation, because normally it is kind of like a template that you can, as a receiver, you can already feel that it is automated and not something alive on the other side that is talking to you, right? So the challenge for automation is always to make it so personalized that the person really feels talked to by a real person, right?
Definitely, yeah, because that's probably the quickest thing, other than the creepy factor, is when people feel like they're speaking to a machine. I mean, how quickly when we call, the pharmacy, for example, and you get that automated recording and you're hitting the prompts and it's driving you crazy, your stress level goes through the roof, when in reality it's supposed to be there to help you, but it doesn't. You'd much rather just talk to someone, and you find yourself yelling at the phone, speaking to a machine. Or maybe I'm the only one that has done that more than once.
No. I'm guilty of that too.
Yeah. Like, speak to representative. Just give me 8%. But yeah, you can ultimately, you want to make it feel personal in a genuine way, and so people find it useful and not just creepy or annoying.